Take a look at this exciting renovation located at 7134 Canary in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg. My name is David Sattelmeyer from Century 21 Patriot. For more information, visit my website, www.davidhomesforsale.com, that's the number 4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. There are a lot of features to note, starting with the brand new roof with architectural shingles. Big front porch here. There's gutters on the front and back. One-car garage. This property is on a cul-de-sac. It's all brand new paint inside and out, all brand new flooring, fixtures, vanity, the kitchen, appliances, and much more. I'll try to show you everything today. This is the foyer. And that's the great room straight ahead. But first, let's look at the formal dining room. Gorgeous laminate floors. There's chair rail and crown molding. And this is the great room with a vaulted ceiling. That's a wood-burning fireplace there. And this is a really pretty tile job around the fireplace, going up to the ceiling. Next is the kitchen. And this is the breakfast nook with a bay window. And again, there's chair rail and crown molding in here. That's the door to the one-car garage. And there's also a laundry room here. And back to the kitchen. Everything is brand new. Very attractive granite countertops here with a mosaic tile backsplash. There's crown molding on the cabinets there, track lighting, stainless steel appliances. This is really nice. And this is the backyard. There's a patio, and it is fenced in. Three bedrooms and 2 full baths. First, this is the master. There's a walk-in closet here. And this is the master bath with a tile floor and a matching vanity to the kitchen. And look at this awesome tiled shower. With the human car wash. Look at all these jets. That is a serious shower. Got the wand and sprinkler head too. And let's look at the other 2 bedrooms and one more full bath. Down the hallway here. And this matches the kitchen and master bath. Fans and blinds throughout the house. And here's the last bedroom. Thanks for watching the tour today. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching the tour.